wonder if he could put his beak in there, look. Yay! Look. Peter's got a little... Let's go and have a look at this one. Peter and his little titties. He loves his titties, he does. Boing. Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we look at various art books and magazines. And this one is issue number 82 of the ImagineFX magazine for May 2012, and it's all about comic art, superheroes and things. So what do I think of the cover? This is going to be quite hard now, because I think, well, so far my favourite cover with this one, which was 81, I think this one might be my favourite now. It's quite close. Yeah, I think it's probably going to be this one. My favourite so far is this one now. What I like about it is the colours and how powerful she feels. A lot of like energy in this one. We've also got a DVD, and I've got it all ready for little Peter. So hopefully he can get that one out alright. We'll have a look at that in a minute. But let's get into this one. Peter the Penguin's with us. I like doing that. So he's going to let us in. Boing! Inside we go. And we've got a weird guy with a big head. This is quite cool, isn't it? Wonder if that's his head or it's just a hat. So you should take that head off really. Look at him as well. It's Darth Vader. He likes Darth Vader. Oh, looks quite cool here. I love that. Oh, I love that one. I love this artist. Oh, I like down the cover as well. Look at that. I thought it was a laser beam, but it's actually a sword. We've got Lois from Baarle as well. Cool. I love that. We've got the guy with the big head. Oh, this looks fun. This looks like a fun issue. Sexy. Look, she's a flower. She's coming out of a flower. How cool is that? Sexy, these are. Cool. Lots of such fun art in these magazines. That's nice as well, look. That's brilliant. This is, what's it called? That reminds me of, oh, what's it called? There's a video game like that. Can't remember now. Dark Stalk, no. Oh, I can see the cover of it, but I can't think of the name. Oh, sexy. I've seen that before, I think. I like that. These are cool. What little interesting guys these are, look. Look at these little things here. These dudes here. Got like little cat people or something. Look. I like that. That's nice. Yay! Ali fell. I hope those are alright. Look. Teddy bears. Books. We like books. Richard Dawkins. The Magic of Reality. Cool. I like this one. Oh, I like those as well. I like it when you've got windows in the roof. So I always think to myself it'd be nice to have a bed there and see the stars at night. Hey, Lara Croft, I used to have that. I used to have that exact figure, and I left it, when I moved, I left it in my mum's house, and then I never got it back again. They're worth quite a lot of money nowadays. Planet of the Farts. Monkey Man. Got our little letters. I do like that colour. cool. Artists Q&A. Little toothbrush, look. Hey, that's a good one. Yeah, put some paint on a toothbrush and go and it'll make the thing, won't it? I like that. And I suppose, well, you could maybe, one day you could scan that into the computer. The moon. Jean Moebius Giraud. A tribute. Hey, that's the guy with the big head, look. Got big head again. This guy must have a big head all the time. Yeah, look. Big head over here as well. Wonder what he's got underneath that hat. He might be smuggling something, I think. What a cool artist this is. Patrol vehicles. Oh look, the art of Wonder Woman. Cool. I like that. I like that bit, look. If you can hear that noise, it's somebody's left a tap on in the bathroom. So what happens is, if you leave a tap on in the bathroom, after about, I don't know, 20 minutes, it makes a, I have to turn it off in a minute. And sometimes it goes off on its own, but, oh, here we go, it's gone. Sketchbook of Alexandre Puvilland. These are weird, aren't they? You can sort of imagine that moving. Oh, I like that. Wonder how they done that. Hey look, we've got another tribute. God, 2 legends must have died in the same month. Ralph McQuarrie. Looks like he was a Star Wars dude. Yeah. Little Star Wars man. What a classic outfit that is, isn't it? That is like, I reckon that will be an amazing outfit forever. That will never look, that will never get dated, that one, I don't think. I love that thing as well. Oh, they keep showing me this book that I want. It's like it's sort of trying to make me buy it. Create a space wreck at sunrise. That's interesting. Dynamic comic group pose. I like that. Street Fighter. I like that. She's sexy. Chun-Li. My favourite. Whenever I played Street Fighter, I was either Chun-Li or Sakura. Dun 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 That was Sakura's music. That's why I played Sakura, because of her music. The art of sci-fi next week. Oh look at the cover for next week. It's like a Mass Effect cover. That is going to be brilliant, I think. As long as it's characters and not so much vehicles. I like that. Nice colours. Hey look, they've turned it into a little card. Yay! Lois van Baarle. Lois. Losh. What a cool character that is. I've actually done a quick look of her book. Or both of her. I've done 2 of her books. I just think she's a brilliant artist. Really nice vibe to her artwork. Interest 5. Cool. Hey, that's what I want. 49 quid it was when it came out. So it's quite expensive when it actually came out. Mass Effect 3. Never played that one. I absolutely loved Mass Effect 1. I loved Mass Effect 2. What happened was I played them on the Xbox because I used to play on the Xbox. I went over to the PlayStation and my character was still on the Xbox, so I never played that one because I couldn't continue the story with my character. I missed out on something there. I love that game, Mass Effect. Now we're into the DVD. What have we got on this one? What pops out at me? Lois from Baarle. Let's go and have a look. I love the pink vibe of that. Love that. It's cool. Little Peter's shielded up. He's got his shield on. Let's go and have a look at this. Little D. I wonder if he could put his beak in there. Look. Yay! Look. Peter's got a little. Let's go and have a look at this one. So this is a DVD. A nice striking background. Look. It's quite cool. We've got the contacts, the website, got the resources, loads of stuff in here. Toon Boom storybooks, storyboards, 36 comic action brushes, lots of cool looking stuff in here. We've got the FX Pose A bit, and then we've got the little workshops. What ones am I going to look at? I'll look at a couple of these. I think I'm going to look at that one, and I'll look at the Superwoman one. Oh, I like that. I like that as well. I'm going to look at this one, and this one. Let's start with this one. Boing! Sketch images! Yay! We've got sketches, look. Cool. I love... Aww. Hey! Naughty, isn't it? You can't get any more sketches. Painting steps. No video on that one, though. This one, I'm looking forward to this one. This is the Street Fighter. Let's see if they've got posing. I wonder if they've got all the layers on it. Ah, brilliant. Look at this, look. How cool are those poses? That's brilliant, that is. I want to look at some more of these. Yeah, they've done all the... Talking about all the lines of action and stuff. What else have they got in here? Video. No audio again. Oh, this would be brilliant if they're going to go right from the gestures. Oh, they're not. They're going to do the more detailed. I'd like to have seen it from the thing. That's amazing that that's all traditional. Cool it is. What else have we got in this one? I'm going to look at this one now. Superwoman. Layered Photoshop files. Let's have a look at this. See, they're not really layered, are they? Liars they are. Sometimes. Got no audio on it as well. Yeah, we have. No, we haven't. That's... Have we? Yay!
This is Alex Garner, and welcome to
Hello.
my tutorial for how I painted the ImagineFX cover featuring Wonder Woman.
How much better is it when you get the audio? It's like, it's more personal and...
So basically, I usually start with a rough pencil sketch that is sent in to editors for approval.
Ooh.
And then once that's done, I not all the time, but many times, I like to start by creating some sort of foundation or base that's just made up of...
Brilliant. I'm going to enjoy this one. Hey, look at that little face, it changes, look.
So now I'm going to start work on the face.
I'm excited for that. We've actually got audio. What have I got? The thing? Yep. Let's go into this FX Pose A bit. Got a little bollock head. Look, it looks like he's got a pair of testicles on his head. Oh, cool. I like that one. That's Doctor Who. Cool artist, that one. Naughty. That looks a bit like, who was it? Duncan Gutteridge did a painting like that. Cool, I like that. Yay, dragons, look. They're going to come back, they are, dragons. The dragons are coming back. Are you ready for the dragons? Skeleton peoples. Yeah, little link. Monkey. I like that. Oh, I like the look of this one. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. Really like that. Little elephant. I like this artist. Cool. That's nice as well. Oh, yay. Nice colours. Another fun artist there. Yeah. Nice artwork in there. Resources, we got concept design workshop. What's this? This is a bonus lecture. What's it? We've got a little trailer.
Getting that idea.
Sample clip. 24 minutes.
It's subservient to the overall archetype.
Thing with those is that they're trying to make you buy something, I think, sometimes. Comic book brushes. Toon Boom Storybook. Oh, it's a software. CG wallpapers. Let's have a look at these, look. Cool. Epic. Oh, I like that. Medusa. Oh, this one looks nice. Yeah. Little warrior. Princess. Comic page templates. Word balloons. A collection of word balloons for Photoshop. Is this actual? No. I thought they were going to be like JPEG things. Photoshop actions. Tune generator plug. Ah. Tone generator plugin. For Photoshop, is it? Cool. The art of freelancing. See, it's another thing.
Welcome to the art of freelancing. I'm Noah Bradley, and I'm going to be talking today about everything I wish they had taught me in art school. After every little get someone silly. They have absolutely no idea how they're going to be an artist.
The art of freelancing. Newsletter, wallpapers and the Q&As. What was my favourite thing on here? I like that one here. That was quite cool, that. And where was the little... Yeah, these were fun as well. This is my favourite artist, I think, on here. Da-da-da. So that was issue number 82 from May 2012. I hope you enjoyed that one. Really fun that one was. And it was nice to see Lois van Baarle in it. And I also, what I liked the most about this one was the sort of, what they called? Paying, like, tributes, that's it. Tributes to two legends. I like that, because I have to be honest, I've not really gone back in time to look at the legends. So this is a way for me to sort of find out about some of these guys who were masters back in the old days and stuff. And I like that. I hope you enjoyed that. Next week we got this one. I cannot wait for this. Issue 83 is a sci-fi special. And look, well, for me, I think this is going to be my favourite cover for the whole year. Because that to me is just amazing. That's going to be next week. Can't wait for that one. I hope you enjoyed this one though. And I'll see you later for another one.